Here is third update for Invest 91L, currently in the Gulf of Mexico here, moving into Texas. You can see Corpus Christi right there. A lot of rainfall has been falling in the past few hours from this particular system, and you can see the Atlantic 5-day cone for it has been updated, and you can see now, instead of it being a 70% chance and then 50% chance like it was yesterday, now it is a 10% chance. I read it off for you here. Numerous showers and thunderstorms continue in association with the elongated low pressure area near the coasts of Texas and northeastern Mexico. While developing into a tropical depression is not expected since the system is almost onshore, heavy rainfall and gusty winds are likely across portions of northeastern Mexico and Texas through Saturday. Interests there should monitor the progress of the system and refer to products from their local weather office. You can see it has a chance of 10% chance of formation there. And if you look over at the satellite imagery, you'll be able to see a better picture of what the system is like and how elongated the area of low pressure is, like the National Hurricane Center stated. You can see it extends all the way from about the Houston-Galveston area to all the way to northeastern Mexico. All the convection there associated with it, giving us some moisture. If you look at the AVN imagery, you can see another look at the storm, pretty much an infrared view. You can see the amount of storms that have been developing over time the past 3 hours. If you go over to water vapor imagery, you can see a better look at the system if it'll load. If not, I'll go over towards the tracks here. Yeah, it's not wanting to load here, so I'll go over toward the tracks here, and you can see the tracks are have been updated as well. You can see they have the low pressure located there, and it's going to go just to the south of Corpus Christi and move on north over there to West Texas and probably give them some more rain with time. And if you look over at the sea surface temperatures, they're still pretty warm, 29-30 degrees Celsius, easily capable of sustaining convection over the system for a longer period of time. And if you go over to the National Weather Service here, actually let's go back to the water vapor here. You can see the massive moisture envelope right here. You can see the dry air on the western periphery of Texas right there, and over here the massive moisture envelope that I've been talking about, and you can see it's heading into Texas now and delivering us some rain. And as we speak, you might be able to hear outside, we're having some rainfall currently going on. You can see there's flash flood watches in effect for all of the coastal bend of Texas, and there's also flood warnings in effect for some of the rivers. If you look at the situation overview, you can see flash flood watch through Saturday evening, potential for heavy rain and flash flooding through Saturday night. Coastal Bend, 3 to 5 rain totals of 3 to 5 inches with isolated amounts up to 8 inches. Brush County, rainfall totals of 2 to 4 inches with isolated amounts up to 5 inches. Coastal flood advisory, high risk of rip currents, and small craft advisory also in effect through Saturday evening. And then if you look at the marine hazards, you could pause the video and read what it says on there. And you can see flash flood watch again right there. You can pause the video and read what it says on there too. And now you can see it has a 10% chance of formation. I think they're trying to enlarge the image here, so this is not going to be the track of it. It's not going to go back in there, but you can read off what they say here. And then here's another high resolution image of the system. You can see scattered range over in Corpus, all the way over towards the Houston, Galveston, kind of Beaumont, Texas area, and then over towards Brownsville, northeastern Mexico, some more showers and thunderstorms around the area, and also scattered along the coastline of Texas and the Gulf of Mexico. And here's the forecast for downtown Corpus Christi, 2 miles northwest of the Corpus Christi International Airport. You can see 80, 80, 80, 30, 30, mostly cloudy, and 30% chance of rain all along the next few days here. And you can read down here what it says, the conditions. This is also on National Weather Service Corpus Christi forecast. You could go onto www.weather.gov.crp to get official information on storms of these magnitude. Or you could probably type up NWS Corpus Christi on Google to get a better look at the system. And if you want official information from the National Hurricane Center, go to www.nhc.noaa.gov for official information on active systems like Invest 95L and all the other systems currently going on as well. And you could also type up NHC on Google and probably get up the information on there. Now, I don't believe I have anything else to really talk about. This is kind of just like a short intermediate update on 95L. Again, it's not a tropical storm right now as we speak. It's not a tropical depression, not a hurricane at all. It is a investigated area of low pressure. It's pretty much what happens before a tropical depression or storm gets classified. They know it's kind of like an area of organization, but they haven't necessarily named it or really tagged it that much. So, hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are. Stay safe from the rains. Remember, if you ever see a flooded roadway, do not cross it. Turn around. Don't drown. Don't drown, as the saying goes. And yeah, have a great day or night wherever you are. Stay safe. Until then, see you guys in the next video. Peace.